Hey, what's going on, Corvette Cruising fam? This is me, Ed. I am here at the Earvin Johnson Senior Law Enforcement Community Motorcycle Car Truck Show right here in the great city of Lansing, Michigan. We're going to have cars from all over the state of Michigan, plus we're going to have cars from Ohio. Our club brothers from the iconic Corvette Club here, we're already gathering. We're going to ride in strong today. Then we also have some brothers joining us from the Chosen Few Corvette Club out of Ohio. So it's going to be a great time today. Sit back and enjoy this video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and click that bell notification to be notified whenever I produce a new video. Hey, this is what I need you to do. Like it so this thing will go viral. So no matter what you do today, thumbs up, like that video.
I think we got a big chance of bringing home that trophy. But I kind of want to give y'all a little feedback with the officers. The two officers gonna lead the front. They said they want everybody to try to be tight, not no big spread apart. They want everybody to try to be close. All the Corvette cars will be at the end. The PJs will be at the very end. So we're gonna bring it at the back of the light. So with that said, just everybody they said just enjoy the cruise. Ain't no need of trying to speed or nothing, cause they the cops, they gonna hold it down. They gonna hold the lights. Ain't no stopping at no lights or nothing. They gonna hold everything down. We just gonna cruise straight through it. But he said make sure we all stay tight. Going through all the lights. We gonna come out of here right here. I'll be right behind the officers. So we gonna come out of here and turn right, and we said we're gonna go straight down and just follow them. They gonna lead us straight into the church. So just
we're gonna take Main Street. It's right.
We're
gonna take Main.
No, we take the
Okay, fam, I'm going to start showing us some cars, and I promise today I promise y'all I'm gonna slow down today and not go so fast. I'm gonna show you as many cars as I can, but we're gonna start with our cars right here. Boom, here are our cars right here, starting with Black Beauty, and then we just gonna move on down. There's a 54 car, y'all know it. So this is a Corvette channel, so we're going to start with some Corvettes. I'm going to show you guys mostly Corvettes, but then I'm also going to show you guys some of the, I'll show you guys some of the other cars, but mostly Corvettes. I'll show you guys most of the vets. Iconic is here, did it big. There's our fearless leader. What's up, Rails? Give us a little wave, man. There go our fearless leader right there. Brought us out today. Got everybody out. Okay. Then, of course, we got the iconic tent. What's up, ladies? Little love, ladies. Hello. Good morning. Then I'll swing back around. I'll start to get some of the other cars, but that red is popping, isn't it? Okay, so we got then we're going to show you guys some other vets. Got a Z06 in the house today. Carbon fiber package. I think this is a Z07 package.
Yeah.
Just got the Z07 package.
Yep, it's 101.
Nice, beautiful spec. This your car?
My neighbor's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful spec on this car.
Yeah, it is,
It's got
man.
the yellow calipers, carbon fiber wheels. Beautiful Z06 package. I love the yellow stitching. That really sets it off. That really sets it off.
Did you really? Whatever. Way the hell on you there. You know. How you doing?
Good. All right, we got some vet washing going on right here. This is Blessed Hands.
Yes, sir.
We're washing up the Z06 today. And getting the Z06 together for him.
Oh, man.
Okay. And Blessed Hands Detailing. Blessed Hands Detailing.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Blessed Hands, all right?
Yes, sir.
A little shout out, man.
Yeah, man, it's Blessed Hands Car Detailing. 517-303-8134, man. Y'all tap in with me.
Nice.
Thank you. I appreciate it, brother.
All right. Yeah.
You got a page you gonna put that on, or? Let me take a picture of it. Oh, yep.
All right. That was that Z06 firing off. Right here, some other cars, you guys. The Few, y'all know this club. They out of Ohio.
What's up, my brother?
The Chosen Few.
How you doing, bro?
Good to see you, man. Good coming out, man.
Right.
Man, you gotta holler at me. Just say something to us, man. Y'all know Earvin, Chosen Few.
What's happening, man? How you doing, brother?
How many you bring out today, Earvin?
Today we brought 8. We brought 8. We got potentially 2 more that are coming.
Okay.
But I came last year, held it down, had best of show. So wanted to make sure to bring my club so they could experience that same thing. It's a great cause with Magic Johnson, what he's doing for his father.
Yes.
His father was a great man. In fact, he helped me get my first car.
Wow.
So it's a legacy here. It's a legacy.
All right, man. Hey, thank you so much,
All right,
man.
brother.
Chosen Few.
Take care, man.
All right. Thanks. Z06. Oh man, it looks good, man. Wow. Just beautiful, man. Beautiful. Great job on the spec, man. Just great job putting that together. That's a winner right there. All right. Ohio came down. They representing strong today.
Excuse me, brother.
Yes, sir.
Man, you get these open.
Nice.
Hell yeah, dude. I'm pumping gas right now.
Trendsetters from Flint is in the house. Trendsetters, give me a little love, y'all. Love you guys, man. All right. Everybody just getting it together this evening. This is the line. This is the line waiting for the Magic Man to come out. He's here, but he's doing a press conference right now. So he's out here somewhere. He's out here somewhere. All right, you guys, I have Jerry here. Jerry's going to tell us about his Z06. Jerry, tell me about your car.
The Z06 is a special car, as everyone knows, but this one was something that I wanted because I know that the C8 Corvette was designed after a 458 and a 488 Ferrari. They tore them down and built these cars. Well, the original Stingray, of course, has the small block Chevy, but it's got everything else Ferrari. This one with the Z06, why I got this one, I have a 24 Stingray in Florida, but this one is special because it has the flat plane crank, which is the Z06 option. Anyway, I had to wait till 2024 June, 3 days in June of 24. They had every option available. If you look closely, you'll see they have all the carbon fiber that's available. It's all visible, not carbon flash painted. It has the carbon fiber wheels, the ceramic brakes. It has the carbon fiber interior, the stealth interior. The wing is carbon fiber visible, and it has the Z07 option, which is another issue that you had to wait for. It would come with one thing, you could get the other with constraints. 4 days this was able to be built at that time. So I got a letter, if you can see up there, it says from the factory, it's one of one. It's the only car with all the options built out of the factory. So this is a pure factory car. No tricks, no special additions. It's all factory unique. And that makes it kind of cool, and I'm glad I have it. And I'm glad people get to see it because it is one of a kind.
Beautiful car. Jerry.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you for being on the channel.
Well, thank you for having this.
All right, fam. New to the channel is the crew out of Kalamazoo. The crew, what's up, y'all? All right, this is the crew out of Kalamazoo. They ride down with some love. All right, good to see you guys.
Down there too.
Yep. Very good. All right, the crew out of Kalamazoo is here.